Hi class, this video is going to show you how to construct copying an angle with a compass and a ruler. So just like copying a segment, we need a place to copy our new angle to. My vertex here is Q. I'm going to make Q prime be here. So I'm going to move Q to Q prime there. Basically, the main thing we want to copy is the degree. So whatever the measurement of this is, I want it to be exactly the same here. So the first step you're going to do is you're going to put your pin on Q on the vertex, and we're going to make an arc so that it crosses both rays of my angle. It doesn't matter how wide you make it. The only thing is I don't want it to be wider than my angle, otherwise it's not going to cross when I sweep. So I definitely want it smaller than the length of one of the rays. And I'm going to put my point on Q and then draw an arc so that it crosses both rays. So it's crossing QP and QR. Okay, so I've got two intersection points from here to here. Okay, so I'm going to copy that width I just did, so I'm leaving my compass exactly the same, and I'm going to copy that arc down here. So still putting my point on the vertex, and go ahead and make this arc nice and big. Okay, so that arc we did up here is copied down here. It's the same distance away from Q as it is from Q prime. The next thing we want to do is I want this ray to be the same distances apart. So we're going to measure the distance from this first intersection point to the other, and we're going to make my compass match that. Still may be a hair big. That looks pretty good. So I'm matching the width of the angle, and I'm going to copy that down here. So before I do that, I'm going to just set this off to the side for a second. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line from Q prime through my arc so that I have a ray, okay? And R can be somewhere out here just like it is up here. So I'll name that guy R prime, okay? Now, that width that I measured here needs to be exactly the same down here. So I'm going to put my pin on this point of intersection, and I'm going to copy that distance, that width of the angle. So again, I copied this width down here. Okay, so notice it crossed my first point, so right here is where my angle needs to go through, my second ray. So I'm going to use my ruler to connect those 2 points. Okay, and then I can put P out here somewhere just like it is in my original, so P prime. So angle PQR, that same measurement, is copied down here. Okay, you could use a protractor to see how accurate your constructions are, and if you measure these two angles, they should be extremely close, if not exact. All right, guys, thanks for watching.